Are the Asus ROG Phone 3 worth to buy? The Asus ROG Phone 3 is the latest in a series of phones that pack the most cutting-edge specs to deliver a premium experience at high prices. This is against the trend of a gaming phone market swelling with more affordable mid-range smartphones, as well as flagship phones getting more and more advanced. The back cover is now a clean back with far fewer lines and jagged edges. Indeed, its biggest single distinguishing feature is a modest window to the heatsink, a hint at the gaming power inside, rather than a visible declaration of it being a gaming device. The ROG 3 has more phone-equivalent horsepower than nearly any other handset out there. It's one of the first to sport the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, achieving 10% better performance than the standard Snapdragon 865, according to Asus, with the Prime Performance Core clocked at a slightly higher frequency, packs an industry-leading 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and its OLED display's refresh rate has been increased to 144 Hz. Those specs make for some of the smoothest gaming we've ever had on a phone without a moment of slowdown. But appealing to both the hardcore gamers that make up Asus' traditional market. Thus, the Asus ROG 3 hides some of its more intense heat and performance until users activate X mode, the signature Asus ROG phone mode that enables particular tinkering of CPU, GPU, heat, and network settings. While Asus simplified some of those aspects to make it easier for newcomers to customize their gaming experience, it's still a complex list. This is the line in the sand that Asus is drawing, accommodating casual gamers, but preserving complexity to provide a premium experience for gamers who want to push limits. The extensive range of top-tier specs puts the ROG 3 somewhat at odds with other, cheaper gaming smartphones. In a market where mid-range handsets are half the cost of the ROG 3, there are clear differences. It's not the only pricey gaming phone out there, but the company believes the extensive features and tooled software keep it surviving and thriving where the Razer phone line failed. Asus ceded photography to the biggest flagship phones. Asus team believes there's a niche for high-end gaming handsets, and positive sales prove it.